Hey there everyone, we're back again for another yoga session with me, Agatha. And today we're going to be focusing on strengthening your back muscles. Get ready, grab a mat, and I'll see you in a minute. For a yoga session today, we're going to get started lying down on the mat. Get into a comfortable position, lying down on your back, knees are bent, arms are down by your side. Take a moment to take 2 to 3 deep breaths, inhaling and filling the lungs, then the belly. Exhaling, empty the belly, empty the chest. And again, inhale, fill the chest, fill the belly. And exhaling, emptying the belly, emptying the chest. And one last time, inhale. And exhale, empty the belly, empty the chest. To start opening up the upper body, we're going to inhale, lift the arms up and back, letting them land down on the mat. And on the exhale, just bring your arms back to starting position. Depending on your shoulder mobility, you may want to open more to the side, okay, or just a little less high than what we're doing right now. What you want to make sure you are able to do is place as much of your arm as possible against the floor. And exhale to bring it back. Inhale, lift the arms up and back. And exhale to return to starting position. Making an effort to really coordinate the breath with your movement. And we're going to do 2 more here. Inhale. And exhale back. Last one, inhale. And exhale back. Beautiful. When you're ready, turn to your side, making sure the hip and shoulder move together. Come to all fours. Wrists right under your shoulders, knees right under your hips. On an inhale, we're going to stretch and lift one arm opposite leg. On the exhale, sit back towards your heels. Inhale, changing sides. And exhale, going back towards your heel. So this is really a wonderful exercise to strengthen all the muscles supporting your spine. And inhale, arm opposite leg. And exhale back. Let's do one more on each side. Exhaling back. Last one, inhale to lift. And exhale to press back. Sit here for just a moment. Open your knees a little bit wider. Walk your hands forward slightly and then just press the base of your palms down into the mat. Just want you to take 2 to 3 deep breaths here, focusing on bringing that air down into your belly. As it opens your belly, you should feel the lower back stretching, and then exhale and just let the lower back release. And then one more time, inhale. And exhale, let the lower back release. Good. Slowly sitting up straight. Come up to your knees. We step 1 foot forward to come up to standing position. Okay, so now towards the top of your mat. The mat is behind you. Take a moment just to check your posture, equal weight between both legs, both feet, and across all points of your feet. And over here, we're going to take a nice inhale as the arms reach up. Exhale, forward fold, hinging at your hips, bending the knees slightly. Inhale, slide your hands to your thighs. Your back is parallel to the mat. Feel like you're trying to pull your spine away from your hips here. So you're gently pressing into your thighs. Exhale to release. Inhale, open your arms out to the sides and come up with a nice straight back. You should already start to feel those back muscles activate. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale to lengthen the spine. Stay here for one breath. Exhale to release down. Inhale, open your arms out to the sides. And exhale, release the arms. Again, inhale, arms reach up. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale to lengthen, hold here. Exhale, release. Inhale, open up your arms, come up. And exhale, release the arms down. Now we're going to add a little bit more steps to this sequence. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, bend those knees, hinge forward at your hips. On this inhale, we're lengthening the spine, we're opening the arms out to the side. So it's just making it a little bit harder on your spine. If it's too much, then just bring your hands back to your thighs. So just challenging yourselves a little bit more. Good. Exhale, bend those knees and release forward. Inhale, opening up the arms through the sides, come all the way up to standing. Exhale, arms release down. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, open your arms out to the sides as you make your spine parallel to the mat. The chin is pulled in a little bit. If this is still too hard, don't hesitate to bring your hands back to your thighs. Exhale, bend your knees, release forward. Inhale, open your arms out to the sides, come all the way up. And exhale, release the arms down. Last time, inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen the spine, parallel to the mat. Open your arms out to the sides. Remember, watch your neck. Next exhale, we release. Inhale, opening the arms to come up. And exhale, release down. Good. Let's take a step back with your left leg. We're going to play a little bit with the warrior one position, with the focus still being to strengthen that spine. So careful, you don't want your standing base to be too tight, meaning you don't want this front foot to be right in alignment with the back one. Open it out to the side a little bit so you have a little bit more stability, because this will be a balance challenge as well. Okay, 3 times on each side. As we inhale, bend the front leg, press through both feet, arms reach up towards the ceiling. Your exhale, straighten the front leg, hands on your thighs, and again, your spine is parallel to the mat. Stay here and breathe. Good. Next inhale, we're going to bend that front leg, reach your arms up again to warrior one. Exhale, release the arms down, straighten the leg. Again, inhale, bend the front leg, arms reach up. Exhale, straightening the front leg, hands on your thighs, your back parallel to the mat. That chin is pulled in a little bit. Next inhale, bend the front leg, reach your arms up. And on the exhale, straighten the leg, release the arms down. One more time. And inhale, bend, reach the arms up. Exhale, straightening the front leg, hands on your thighs. See if you can challenge yourself now to open your arms out to the sides. Okay, that chin is pulled in slightly. Good, a nice deep breath in. On the next exhale, we're going to bend that front leg and just release over that leg for a moment. Give your back a chance to release. Next inhale, come back up to warrior one, arms are reaching up. Exhale, straighten the front leg, release the arms. Step the back foot forward. Good, take a nice deep breath here. And then we're going to do the same thing with the left leg in front. So right leg steps back. Okay, always careful not to open that back leg too much, or else you're going to be forcing that hip, forcing that knee, forcing that ankle. So try to square as best as you can with that foot turned forward as much as you can. A nice wide base of support. Inhale, bend the front leg, arms reach up. Exhale, hands on your thighs, lengthening through the back of your spine. Next inhale, we bend the front leg, arms reach up, back to warrior one. Make sure you're pushing through that back foot as well. Exhale, release the arms, straighten the leg. And again, inhale, bend the front leg, arms reach up. Exhale, hands on your thighs, lengthening through the back. Remember that nice long neck. You're still pushing through both feet. Next inhale, we're going to bend the front leg, arms are going to reach up. And exhale, release the arms, straighten the leg. Final one here, inhale, arms reach up, warrior one. Exhale, straighten the legs. Start with the hands on your thighs, but start preparing for taking those hands away when you're ready. Pushing into both feet, open your arms out to the sides. Exhale, we're going to bend that front leg. You're going to release over it as best as you can. And on the next inhale, arms reach up, back to warrior one. Exhale, arms down. Step the feet together at the top. Take a moment just to notice the sensations in your body after that one. How does your back feel? And after that asymmetrical sequence, let's bring it back into a little bit more symmetry. Okay, it will be both a release and an exercise to strengthen the back. So on the inhale, arms are going to reach up. Exhale, come down into a full squat position. You can bend your knees, heels can lift off the mat, and let the chin drop down towards your chest a little bit. On the next inhale, straighten your spine first. That's where the work in the spine happens. Arms reach up, come up to standing. Exhale, release the arms down. Let's do that 3 more times. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, all the way down. One breath here. Inhale, straighten the spine, arms reach up. And exhale, release down. 2 more. Inhale, up. And exhale down. Inhale, straighten the spine, arms lift, come to standing. Exhale, release down. Final time here. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale down. Next inhale, lengthen and come to standing. Exhale, release the arms down. Okay, let's come back down onto the mat. You're going to step one leg back. You're on your knee, on both knees. And from here, we're just pressing back slightly. And you're going to come down onto your belly. So we're going to work on a really gentle cobra to start off with. Your hands are right in front of your shoulders. Your elbows are tight into the body. Feel that the shoulders are pulling down towards your hips, legs ideally together. If you have any issues in the lower back whatsoever, then maybe keep them a little bit apart. Okay, to further protect the lower back, we're going to just press the pubic bone ever so slightly into the mat. That's going to connect your glutes. You should feel a tightening there. Forehead is down. As you inhale, I want you to imagine that you are pulling yourself forward first and then lifting up through the spine. And then exhale, release. So at no point should you be pushing into your hands to lift. If your hands were not there, that's as much as you're able to lift, meaning use your back strength to lift you up. And it might not be much initially if you don't have a lot of strength there, and that's fine. You keep working on it and it will come. Okay, so again, we're pressing the pubic bone down. You're lengthening slightly forward to come up with the nice long back of the neck. Notice that I'm not arching that head up. We're not leading with the head. You want to think that you're leading more with the shoulders and the upper back. Okay, let's do this one more time where you just pay attention to how far you're going. And then I'm going to teach you a little trick here to release those back muscles, right? We've strengthened them. Let me give you a chance to release them and then see if that has any impact on how much higher you go. So rest your forehead on your hands. Okay, these are windshield wiper feet. So if you want to imagine the movement of windshield wipers, right, to the side, And imagine that your feet are the windshield wipers. And we're going to just keep the feet pointed, and you're just going to let them very gently drop over to the right, come back to center, and drop them over to the left. You can coordinate this with your breath. On the inhale, you come to center. On the exhale, you let them go off to one side. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, go to the side. One more time like this. Inhale, center. Exhale, side. Inhale, center. And exhale, side. Come to center. Curl your toes under now. And we'll do the same thing. So inhale here. Exhale, let your feet drop to one side. Inhale back to center. And exhale to the other side. Inhale, center. And side. And center. And side. And center. Okay, release the toes again. Bring your hands back just in front of your shoulders, elbows close to the body. So the same cobra position we had initially. And I want you to notice now if you're able to go any higher. Press the pubic bone down. Inhale to come forward slightly, then up. And I don't know about you, but I've certainly gained a little bit of height here. And then release down. And let's do that 2 more times. Come forward and up. And exhale, release. Last time. Inhale, come forward and up. And exhale, release. Fantastic. Hands under the shoulders now. Press yourselves up to all fours. Last final release for your back. Chakravakasana. Inhale to lengthen the spine. So we're not arching the lower back. We're lengthening by opening the collarbones to the top of your mat. Exhale, round your spine and then go back towards your heels. Inhale, come back to all fours, lengthening the spine. And exhale to round and go back towards your heels. Inhale, come back and lengthen. Exhale, back and release. And inhale to lengthen. And exhale. Back onto your heels. Last time here, inhale, lengthen. And exhale, back onto your heels. Hold it here for 1 breath. Roll up slowly. That's it. Well done. You did it. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you can keep notified of any new videos that I post. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.